This whole stump is just covered in turkey tails. Danny. Good freaking God, can you guys hear that? That waterfall is so loud. It goes up the whole way through the mountain into the creek. It is really loud. Ah, it's focusing on the branches. So Bree and I cleared out those brushes now. Now you can see that waterfall a lot better. The zoom on this camera is phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal. Yeah! Come on, Kenny. Cross the creek. Oh, you just don't care. You just don't care. Do you remember the movie Bridge to Terabithia? Well, this is it now. Feel old yet? Meth. Not even once. Hola. Well, this is interesting. I've seen all kinds of colors of turkey tails, but I've never seen any blue ones. Get a closer shot. Ah! I slipped.
You never see a blue waffle.
Why would you say that? That's disgusting. But this scenery is so gorgeous, so I'm gonna let that pass. Look at that shot, though.
Zoom out.
I gotta say, this place over here is pretty nice. Pretty flat ground. It is pretty breezy. Pretty flat ground, so we can do some camping here. Kenny.
We should bring Mitchell out here.
We should.
Him and his house tent.
Oh, look, there's the creek.
And
Wow,
Tyler's shoe bags.
It's really roaring. This place is pretty cool. I want to check this place out. I want to go camping over here. What is that? What is that?
It's like a barrel.
It's some kind of like house. I'm afraid I'm gonna die. It's probably gonna be like a raccoon or something in there. I'm ready for you, raccoon. What is it, Kenny? What is it? What's in there? What is it?
Like, there's nothing in there. Ain't nothing.
No, there's nothing in there. It's just a bunch of sticks. That lens flare, though. That is really freaky, though. I've never seen anything like that out here. Now this is right off the side to where I was just looking at. And I gotta say, this is really cool. I would like to come out here and swim sometime. Current doesn't seem to be too bad. Water's gulping over there. Something's over there. Kenny's gonna go for a swim. My wet dog. My big fat wet dog. Nice, Kenny. Pesky gnomes drinking their liquor again. How dare them? They know better not to litter.
How dare they?
Look at those freaking gnomes. They're drinking some kind of like druid beer. Filthy hogs. Would you look at the wee Bobby waterfall? It's so puny. That's cool. Found a little deer trail and goes straight up to the road. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a little, you know, scenic walk, nature walk, whatever you want to call it. Me, Bree, and Kenny. Kenny, get out of the road. Learn the responsibilities. So, if you guys like this video, you know what to do. All social medias, check them out, as well as subscribe to this channel. You know, do all kinds of other stuff.
Like and comment, do all that stuff.
Yeah, do that stuff. So, you know, that's basically it. See you guys next video.